Una más.
Cheers. Mmm.
Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, share notification, give us a huge thumbs up. And at the end, we'll be doing shoutouts.
Period. So y'all, we have Chipotle in front of us. She has barbacoa in hers, corn, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce, and white rice, no beans. We have queso and chips on the side. I have steak and barbacoa in mine.
Straight. I have some
Sprite.
Sprite. What you got?
Oh, I have a Izzy, black cherry.
And at the end of the video,
girl, be quiet. Everybody you about to try to do something. Yeah, blackberry, black cherry. I got some jalapenos too, y'all.
If y'all want me to eat
I got the license to don't OD, so I'm not gonna OD.
If y'all want me to eat a jalapeno at the end of the video,
let's
give that big thumbs up.
Yes. This is gonna be good. You ready?
I'm not ready for the end of the video.
Let's get into the video. All right,
I'm still gonna do it.
I got steak and barbacoa. Drop the fork. I got steak and barbacoa in mine.
I was about to say. It's stuck stuck in your hair.
Thank you.
This is shaped as a Dorito. Shaped as a Dorito.
I remember that queso used to be so nasty. So, I got some of the little salad dressing here. I don't even know what it is for real, but I hear my thick best friend Gina Janine here on YouTube talk about this all the time. So, I'm gonna just try it a little bit right there.
I smell it. It smells nasty. Mom, you really got some on my foot.
It's okay.
Look.
I did. I don't know what it tastes like, honestly.
Guys, if you notice, yes, we're matching.
Yeah, she's my twin today. Honey.
Got the same necklace.
We got our K's on. This good, y'all, and I'm really not a fan of Chipotle, but this is her favorite restaurant, so. It's sweet. You want to try some of the sauce? We smashing, y'all. Hold on. Bomb. So we took pictures today, and I got our dresses from Shein. These are our dresses, y'all. Make sure y'all read the descriptions of them and, you know, get your measurements. Oh, I was thirsty. Dang.
Big as this is, oh my gosh.
That's a big chunk of meat. You want me to take that? Here, let's try to pull it apart for you. It's a lot of fat, that's why. It's a lot of fat. I eat the fat, baby. What's the best part? It has all the seasoning. The best part. So y'all, believe it or not, me and Kamari filmed a video the other day, and it really got deleted. Like, I really deleted it on accident, and I'm beyond distraught about it. So I also deleted a video that I recorded by myself, which was steak and eggs. But I'm gonna run it back. We definitely want to run it back. Is your bowl good, back? Your bowl good?
Yes, it's good. They put a lot of chicken in.
Messing up. This queso was 1,000 times better, y'all. Try to try a little bit. Did you have fun taking pictures earlier?
Mhm.
You like looking like mommy twin? Yeah, this bowl is kind of big. It looks like I ain't putting a dent in it, but I am. I just don't like mixing my bowls up.
Got cheese on me.
Look at you being a YouTuber.
And I still have my own channel. Where's my grandpa's account though? I'm gonna change it. Don't worry, I'm gonna change it.
Want some jalapenos?
I'm gonna go eat at the end for them. If they subscribe, comment.
Like jalapenos be so good, y'all. Put some meat up on her too, y'all. Quit playing.
If you guys want me to get me my own gaming account, then I will for y'all. Y'all subscribe, hit that notification, and comment.
Come on, you ain't even a big gamer like that.
I put Roblox, Fortnite, Among Us.
No.
Try to put some of your stuff on it, like this. And I put some stuff on it, like that.
The corn be so good. I like that it's sweet.
Put a little bit of lettuce on that. Uh-oh, it fell.
Give me a little bit of lettuce on there. Cheers. Mmm. So y'all, baby mama about to go back to school. This summer flu. So good. Pardon me. So y'all, she started back to school. Are y'all kids going, if you got kids, are they going to school or are you guys onlining? What you say?
We're at high school.
Yeah. Y'all going to school or is your baby staying and getting homeschooled? I can never homeschool her because I be at work. So it'd be her dad be homeschooling with her. You gonna homeschool? Or you rather go in? You rather go into school or you rather be homeschooled? I'm getting full. It's good though.
Homeschool.
Really? Making a mess. Why you don't like going in?
No. I love going in.
Yeah.
But I don't like to stay home because you always have to do chores.
Girl, you do not do a lot of chores.
You always maybe throw away on trash.
That's not chores. That's normal. I had to get remotes for my parents, cups of ice for my parents, shut the door, everything. All I ask you is throw something away, and you go and pass the garbage anyways. And I would never call you all the way down the steps just to throw something away. My parents used to do that to us. You got it easy, girl. Believe it or not, you got it easy. So good. I ate almost half my bowl, y'all. You was smashing too.
Look at this beef.
I don't like Chipotle chicken.
Look at this big piece of lettuce.
Hope you ready to vacuum, ma'am. Cause you putting your bowl all on the floor. Everything. I am full. But this was good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Excuse me. Chipotle is not my go-to. Excuse me. At all. But
I love it.
It's actually busting today. Yeah, I'm only eating it because it's our favorite restaurant. Y'all can look. I don't eat Chipotle that much on my channel because, But next time I eat something like this, It's gonna be Hotheads, or it's a place called is it Buku's? Buckaroo's? Buku, something like that. And they're kind of like a Chipotle. You get a quesadilla or something. I'm here for the quesadillas. You eating your queso?
What's the best part, the food or the queso?
That queso used to taste like powder to me. Now it tastes like actual queso.
TT. One bite?
Make sure your imaginary cousin gets some.
You don't want none? Oh, she don't want none.
Okay. So what I recommend y'all trying the I don't even know what this is. This type of oil. What y'all stuff? Oh, vinaigrette. I'm like, what are you saying? Vinaigrette, excuse me. I would say, yeah, it's different. It's different.
I just scoot over.
Scoot on over. I'm full though. I think I'm about to throw in the towel, y'all. But I got steak. I never really get steak. It's good. Half and half. Back in the day, I used to get extra meat. It's just way too much. Now, way too much. So, I might insert a picture of me and Kamara. Our outfit. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram though. Clea underscore
Kamari
Starborn underscore Kamari. It's good. I should got two of them for real. Pour any. Alright, y'all. You ain't got much left. It's a little dry. Yeah, it's a little draggy. That's how you like it, huh? You want some of this? Want to try like a bite of it? Yeah, it needs something, baby. Mix it on the. I got the hot sauce in mine. I just gotta have the hot sauce. Like, I could not eat this if it wasn't spicy, y'all. It was spicy enough. That's why we had to add the jalapenos.
I just saved my life from rice falling on me. I like got it on my arm.
Okay, can't get dirty.
Saving my life.
We cute. Oh, yeah, we got our dresses from Shein, y'all, and they're real affordable. My dress was like under 10 bucks. Her dress was under $5. Like, literally, I think it was like $4.99. Okay. Excuse me, I'm stuffed.
Would you like some Chipotle, guys? Psych, I lied.
Oh yeah, we didn't even offer.
Would you go like some Chipotle?
Yeah. Here, let's see them.
Psych,
Right.
I lied. The Chipotle is mine.
Oh, bars. Here we go. Take a bite of this Chipotle. Take a bite of this Chipotle. Okay. I'm full. We made it to the end. I'm full. I ate half my bowl.
I'm almost done.
She pretty much ate enough of her bowl. You want to end it out, girl?
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Make sure you guys follow us.
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, I don't have my phone near me, babe. All right, y'all. So we about to do some shout outs before we end today's video. So, Kamara, you want to read the names?
Him again.
Jaleel Odom. That's my guy.
That was yesterday.
Remember, they didn't get to see the video because it got deleted. Okay, so do it again.
Jaleel Odom.
Jaleel Odom. Thanks for watching.
Mark Johnson.
Jones.
Jones.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Patricia A.
I'm gonna eat it right
Booby
now.
B. And one more.
Booby B.
And British Holland.
I'm gonna eat this.
Thanks, y'all, for watching our video.
I'm gonna eat this.
Go ahead. Jalapeno. It ain't even hot. It ain't hot.
Ah, that's nasty.
All right, y'all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. And definitely, I'm going to catch you on my next video. Peace.
Don't do that again.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.